Hi, and welcome to my kitchen, where I mix East flavors with the taste of the West. And this week's recipe, falafel. Falafel is a popular Middle Eastern fritter fried to golden perfection. And today we're going to be wrapping it up with the fixins. Let's get started. Starting with 24 ounces of dried garbanzo beans, covering them with water to soak overnight. Drain them completely, and you want to use dry garbanzo beans, not canned. Chop yellow onions, garlic cloves, cilantro, and parsley. Go ahead and have all your spices ready and your baking soda. If you like it spicy, that is optional. Have your assembly ready for your food processor. Go ahead and place the garbanzo beans and your ingredients and the spices. Learn from my mistake. Do not overstuff. I had to take some out and start over. Dash water as you pulse to get it to move and combine. Don't overdo it with the water either. Just a little bit at a time until you get a nice, smooth, creamy consistency. It's going to take some time, and you are working in batches. This is what you want it to look like. Since we are working with large batches, it's important to line several trays with parchment and create these patties using the palm of your hand. They will not roll into balls. They're just too wet. Create patties, line them. You want to be ready to fry while everything is prepared. Drop 8 to 12 at a time in your hot oil. They only take about 2 minutes total, so you just want to flip them to get them golden, and then go ahead and lay them on a sheet of wire rack or paper towel to drain. And there you have it. Lovely, fluffy, golden fried falafel. And they are just absolutely delicious in wraps of all types. Tahini sauce is one of my favorite ways to dress it, and that's the recipe there. Go ahead and warm up your pita. Line all the ingredients that you prefer. All the fixins will be listed in the description box below. There's your wrap. How beautiful. Thanks for watching. Let me know how yours come out in the comments below, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.